This is 1707 3rd Avenue. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath located in the Forest Lake neighborhood, just down from University Place Elementary School, right off of 15th Street. Pretty quiet area. Interesting thing about this house is the driveway actually goes all the way through past the house to the back alley. So if you were to like stack and block people in, they can pull straight out and go and get out by the alley past the fenced in backyard. But we'll head inside and check it out. All right, as we come inside, we walk into the living room. Good size living room, a ceiling fan. Most of the house does have carpet throughout. Again, a good sized living room. So off of it is the dining room. We'll come back this way, but this is the hall to the front 2 bedrooms. There's 1 bedroom straight ahead, 1 to the left, and 1 in the bathrooms to the right. Linen closet directly ahead. We'll come back through this way in just a minute. We'll head into the dining room. It is a smaller dining room, maybe for like a 4-person table or something like that. Great windows, but again, not real large. All right, leads us into the kitchen. Stained paneling, stained cabinetry. Does have stainless steel appliances. Nice countertops. Good bit of cabinet space, lots of countertop space as well. Off of the kitchen is also the laundry room where the washer and dryer are provided. A little bit of storage. And you can also get into the laundry room through the other side, kind of off the den. And so you can see the kitchen, so there's a bar there. We'll check out. The appliances you see here are included. So nice kitchen. All right, this is the den area. Again, with a lot of the stained paneling, pretty durable. So you see the bar. There's ceramic tile in the kitchen. So a nice little eating space. And then you have plenty of room in here if you wanted to have a dining room or dining room set, or if you just want a second living area, den. It's a half bath, and both of these doors go out to the carport or the backyard. And we'll check that out in just a minute. All right, the master type bedroom is in the back. It has a private bathroom attached. It's a good sized bedroom. Pretty tall ceilings, nice ceiling fan. Check out the bathroom. Again, this is a private bath only off of this bedroom. Has a good sized walk-in shower with sliding glass doors. Good sized vanity with drawers and a cabinet. Mirror. Commode area. Alright, then we have a walk-in closet. Lots of space. Single hanging on the right, shelves in the middle, and then double hanging on your left. In the shower. It's a pretty wide walk-in shower. Pretty nice. Back into the master bedroom. As we go into the den. So the door on our right goes out to the fenced-in backyard. In the middle we have our half bath. vanity. Does have ceramic tile. Pretty nice half bath. And then this door here goes out to the carport. The house is wired for an alarm system. If you'd like to use it, that would be your decision. You can call to get it activated for monitoring. All right, so we came in through the kitchen there, but we'll go back through a different door. This door leads into the middle bedroom, which also leads into the hallway. So there's two doors in this bedroom. Nice ceiling fan. And then we'll come into the hallway. So directly ahead is the living room we started in, the hall bath. The front bedroom. Lots of nice windows. Ceiling fan. Again, carpet throughout. Back into the hallway. The bedroom we came through. Dining room, or the living room, excuse me, where we came in. And then finally the hall bathroom. Nice vanity, again with two drawers and a door. Tub shower combo with nice ceramic tile work, ceramic tile floor. And there's also a linen closet in here. So now we're back into the living room where we started. We'll walk towards the back of the house and we'll head out to the backyard and carport, check that out. Alright, we come out the carport door. It's more of covered storage, it's probably a little difficult to park. But this is where the driveway goes all the way through. So again, you can see the front of the house where we began. Kind of the carport, two little storage rooms. Drive goes all the way back to the alley. So that's pretty handy to be able to stack cars in here and everyone not be blocked in. And then we'll head into the fenced in backyard. See the back door I mentioned that goes into the fenced in backyard. It's a small patio area and then a very large fenced in backyard. There's a fire pit from previous tenants. So again, this is 1707 3rd Avenue. It's 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and is professionally managed by Druid City Properties. You can get more information on our website at Tuscaloosa propertymanagement.com.